All right, guys, let me show you very quickly this spot welder that we have in the store. Very inexpensive for $60 to $99. This brand is a known brand, uh, FNIRSI. Very nice spot welder. This is battery spot welder. Very basic spot welder. Is nothing, super powerful or anything like that. This is for very quick jobs. But look at how capable is this. This spot welder is digital. It allows you to change a bunch of parameters. Really nice. I'm gonna show you what you can do with this parameter that I have right now set. We have the the pulse 15, the power in 10. So the intervals, we are gonna have 2 dots. Anyway, I don't want to make a long video. Look at what you can do with this spot welder. Let me select one cell I have here. This is a used cell, Samsung 20R. So it was used, so I cleaned it a little bit. So now I want to show you what we got here. We have here nickel steel, the one that came with the same spot welder. It came with a roll. This one is I believe is 0.12. It's pretty thin, but I have here as well copper, pure copper. This copper is 0.1, very thin copper, obviously, but as you know, copper is 4 times conductible, so this means that it's like it's a nickel 0.4. So we are gonna try attempt to weld pure copper with nickel steel together with this spot welder. Okay, let me make a good zoom here so you can see better what I'm doing. Let's see, probably that's a good. See, I have, you always put the copper under, nickel on top to make these kind of bonds, right? Let me put this welder here. And I'm gonna be making a light pressure, and let's see how it goes. Because this copper is gonna kind of tend to stick, because copper, this is copper to the tips, so we can expect that. See, that was 4 dots, only 4. Look at this, very strong bond. So this spot welder allow you to do copper nickel sandwich. Of course, 0.1 nickel, copper, 0.12 nickel, nickel steel. We need to clarify this. So it's very strong. I'm very surprised this unit is able to do this. So that will open the door for many builds. So again, you can get this unit in my store, DIY500amps.com. I have that ready to be cheap. So again, you can change parameters. This is the parameter that I currently have, so you can do the same. So we can I have that crank, all the way, in this part, and the pulse only 15, the other one in 10 milliseconds. All right, that's my current parameter. Remember, this unit is not only a spot welder. You can convert that in a power bank. I don't expect a fast one, but it's at least you can charge your phone and stuff like that with this unit. Look at the cable that came with this unit. Very decent cables. And this unit came also, I have one open here. That's my personal one with the instruction. See, this is, it's already used. I used it a few times. That came with it. And also it came with extra, see, your charging cable. That is a USB-C, and have an extra copper tips. Okay. Yep, very recommended. Is working pretty good with me. Remember, this kind of unit is for light use. Don't expect, something for every day. That will be cool for someone that doesn't want to break the bank, but they want a good unit, and for a good price. Get yours, DIY500amp.com. Hey, remember, like this video if you like my content. Join my Facebook group, DIY500amp. Search for it. I have the link in my website as well. The store, we have batteries. You name it, Samsung batteries. We have EV batteries. We have JP40s. DIY500amp.com. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and thank you for joining me.